Describe the nature and importance of level descriptors in curriculum development in HE. Level descriptors outline clear learning expectations for students at various study levels, such as undergraduate and postgraduate. They define the depth of knowledge and skills students should develop, guiding their academic progression effectively. Aligned with national qualification frameworks, level descriptors ensure standardization across higher education institutions. This alignment allows for comparability and equivalency of qualifications, fostering a unified educational system that benefits students and educators alike. As students advance through their studies, level descriptors reflect the increasing complexity of learning. They guide the transition from foundational knowledge to advanced analysis and independent research, supporting students' academic and professional growth. Thank you for watching.